Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 1999 Dodge Ram 3500 dually 5.9 liter. We're going to do the outside, we're going to do the inside condition and features. We're going to pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We're going to turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we're going to go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But I'll tell you this, driving this down to get it ready for the video walk around, I am utterly shocked on how well this drives. How the cold started just turned right over. It was nuts. But as you can see, it has the rear sliders, the tow mirrors, the running boards. Obviously the tow pack. Looks like we got a couple of different versions. Sorry, my gimbal's a little cockeyed, so I do apologize. We got that there, and we got that guy down there. Let's get the bed. Looks like it's ready for a fifth wheel. Spraying Bedliner, and again, let me get these angles here for you. I mean, frankly, there are no major dents, no huge dings, no major scratches in a 99. Let's get down here on tires. Tires, frankly, look brand new. Yeah, these are, if they're not brand new, they're dang near new. Again, I just want to get these angles in here for you. Sorry, the glare from the sun's really killing my eyes here. So I apologize if this isn't the best video walk around. Again, those are the fold-up tow mirrors. Let's get to the inside here. We got the power windows, power locks. Looks like we got power seat. Really do not see any rips, tears, stains. Third seat, front row. Look at that. So if you need a seat 6, you're able. Get the passenger seat here. Let me grab the back. Yeah, this is really nice for a 99. It's really the first time I've actually been in it. And I've been procrastinating a little bit on the video walk around here, but aftermarket tow assist there. Somebody asked me if this was a 4-wheel drive, and it's sure not looking like a 4-wheel drive. But if you're looking to tow, this would definitely work for you. You got the trip computer up there, destination to empty, compass, temperature, all of those kind of things. And stock stereo still, so that's cool. All right, let's take a look underneath the hood. See what we got before we turn it over. All right, now I say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, so I do apologize. But I do like to get this in the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. All of our rigs, they come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. You know, I encourage everybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and, well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client. That includes after the sale, and that's huge for us. Look at that temperature. Oh, it's beautiful out today. All right, let's go back to the engine for you. Well, guys, I do apologize. I got to rush through this video, but hopefully that helps. If you have any questions or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.